Hey there and welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the powerful if formula in Smartsheet to automatically check off boxes based on your dates. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up an if function that updates your checkboxes, saving you time, reducing manual work, and helping you keep your sheets accurate at a glance. Alright, let's jump right in. Let's set the stage. Imagine you've got a column full of dates in your Smartsheet, and next to each date, you've got a checkbox column. What we want to do is have those boxes automatically get checked if the date is in the future compared to today. Super useful, right? Maybe you're tracking deadlines, reminders, or upcoming events. With the if formula, you can let Smartsheet do the heavy lifting for you. We'll start by adding our formula to the checkbox cell. Click into the cell where you want the automation to happen. Now begin by typing an equal sign, just like in Excel or Google Sheets. That tells Smartsheet you're entering a formula. Type if, then open up a parenthesis. This is where we'll tell Smartsheet exactly what condition to check. For the formula's logic, simply click on the cell that holds your date. This is the date we want to evaluate. Now add a space and type the greater than symbol, which looks like this. Right after that, you're going to type today with parentheses today. What this does is automatically pull in today's date, so your sheet is always up to date, no manual updating needed. Then type a comma. Next comes the magic, the true and false values. Following that comma, type true. This tells Smartsheet to check the box if the date is in the future. Type another comma, then false, so the box stays unchecked if the date is in the past or today. Finally, close it all up with a parenthesis. It should look something like this, equals if date today, true, false. Once you have that entered, go ahead and hit enter. You should see Smartsheet immediately update the checkbox for that row based on the date you entered. If the date is later than today, the box is checked. If not, it stays unchecked. Pretty neat, right? But we want this to work for every row, not just one. So here's the next important step. Right-click on the cell where you just put the formula. At the very bottom of that menu, you'll see an option called Convert to Column Formula. Go ahead and select that. What this does is apply your if formula to every row in the sheet automatically for that entire checkbox column. Now, whether you add new dates, update existing ones, or change anything, the checkboxes will always reflect the current status based on the date. And that's it. Now all your future dates will show a checked box and past dates will stay unchecked. This is a great way to visually manage events, tasks, or deadlines without any extra work. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment below if you have questions or want to see more Smartsheet tips, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy Smartsheeting!